using the OPI Professional Nail Technician file with a small medium 150 grit cylinder bit, planing down the entire nail surface. The goal is to remove as much product as possible. Instead of carving out a smile line, I'm going to simply relay the white free edge and do an overlay. Use your leveler fat file to prepare the natural nail regrowth area. Dust the nails with the fluffy. Cleanse the nails with NAS 99 and apply one coat of Bond-Aid to the natural nail only. And apply one coat of Bond-X. Pick up the bead of product and apply it to the free edge. The beauty of Absolute White is that it completely covers the old smile line. To make a crisp smile line, brush position is important. Turn the brush away from you and use the tip to clean the line, working from center to side, center to side. Doing this also carves out a pocket which you can tuck your clear or pink beads into. Fill in the cuticle and nail bed with a small bead of acrylic. The Absolute translucent pinks are very natural looking. Shape and contour the nails with the silver cushion file, leveler, smoother, and finish your fat files. Dust the nails with the fluffy. And here's another fast way to finish nails with the new OPI Liquid Buff, which gives the nails a brilliant protective shine. A little Avoplex oil and your client's set to go. With the nail refacing technique and liquid buff, I can get a client out the door in 20 minutes.